Sir, can we change the properties of dimension also, sir? I mean, the dimension is looking so much small, and we have to zoom the to see the dimension. Can we change
Yes,
it?
you can change it. So what you need to do is you just right click, go to properties. Now these are the general properties. You can see what is the color, what is the layer, what is the line type scale, everything is there. But this is a continuous line, so line type scale does not have any kind of relevance here. But if you go down, you will find lines and arrows. Okay. What about the arrow size? If you think that the arrow size is quite small, then you can maybe make it 5, and you will see that the arrow size has increased. You can see that these arrows are bigger than what it was previously. Let me select it again. You can also find some text properties. So here you'll see that there is a text height. If you feel that the dimension text is too small or difficult to read, you can change it from here and make it 5. Press enter. Now you can see that it's quite big. So that way you can control the dimension. But the better way to control dimensions in a uniform way is to change the dimension style. I cannot discuss the dimension style in this class, but the demonstration lecture about dimension, it has got a detailed description of how you can modify your dimension styles. So have a listen to that. One more thing I will just mention here is that go to properties. You can also override certain texts. Suppose this measurement is 93 point something, but I want to show show this up as something else, maybe 95. Sorry, it has to be in this text override box. So now you can see that it shows up as 95. It does not change the length of the line. That is that remains same. The measurement of the line does not change. It remains same as 93 point something, but in the dimension text it shows up as 95 because I have overwritten the relevant text.
Sir, AutoCAD uses comma instead of dot for specifying the fraction.
Yes, but that can be changed from dimension style.
Okay.
I'll show you. Go to annotation. This is the dimension style. Again, this has already been discussed in the demonstration video. Please have a listen to that. Go to modify and go to primary units. So this is the decimal separator. This decimal separator can be a period as well. Period means a point. So if you put it as period, press OK. Now, obviously, I had changed it to 95, so there is no decimal point. Let me just change it back to dimension and put another dimension over here. So probably that would be more clear. So now you can see that this is 142 point. Perhaps this is a point. I'm not too sure whether it's a point. Let me just change it again. Go to properties. No, not from here. Let me go to dimension style again. Go to modify. So that is the point. Here, maybe the problem is with the font. What we can do is change the text style. Right, text style over here. Okay, here it is telling you to provide a separate text style, but we do not have a separate text style because we have not created it yet. So the next best option is go to this. So go to annotation, go to this icon which creates, modifies, or specifies text styles, and you will have this. Now change it to Times New Roman. Keep it as regular. Now it looks better. I think this is 142.65. So that way you can change it to a point.